Hi, Collective. It's Tina from the Lovers Conjure. I hope you guys are all doing well. I wanted to share a prophetic message combined with a tarot card reading. Judge and a lawyer will serve prison time, liberty, and justice for all. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Spirit guides, universe, guardian angels, and ancestors. This reading is for the collective. Please allow me to be a clear channel for their messages. The lawyer will serve prison time, liberty reversed, and the Ten of Wands. So this corrupt judge and this corrupt lawyer did something very, very irresponsible and reckless. The Knight of Wands reversed, and they are now feeling very overburdened. Ten of Wands. They know what they did was very, very, very risky. Knight of Wands reversed is like, downing a fifth and getting behind the wheel. That's literally what it is. It's something where there's imminent disaster, and they probably sense that as well. But yeah, this has caused a lot of burdens on them, a lot of stress, a lot of sleepless nights, a lot of anxiety. They're feeling the weight of it on their shoulders. Okay, let's see what else is going on with this corrupt judge and attorney. Yeah, they know they messed up. Knight of Swords reversed, guys. We could be looking at maybe the lawyer and the judge, the lawyer and the client. There's two distinct people here. I'm taking this as the judge and the lawyer. This is an abomination because a judge would never show up as a knight, much less a knight reversed. Holding the position of judicial authority is bestowed upon one by God. It is a God's authority that allows someone to become a judge, to become an elected official, okay? And so God is entrusting you when he bestows this beautiful miraculous, God bestows this power upon you. He puts you in a position of power as a judge, as a lawyer, okay? He expects that you will uphold that position with integrity. And when you do not, there is vengeance, okay? Crooked judges go down in flames. Crooked lawyers do not do well in prison. And this is exactly what we have. This is the two stooges. This is two people who made a very spur of the moment, reckless decision to do something, to do something corrupt, okay? And they're feeling the weight of this. 10 of Wands. Let's see what else is going on. It makes my stomach hurt doing this reading. I worked in law for 15 years. I spent so many hours inside the courtroom preparing for trial, working with lawyers, judges, judicial assistants, other officers of the court. I've never met one completely vulnerable to this judge's completely irresponsible and reckless actions and behaviors. Yeah. And this judge knows that Seven of Pentacles reversed. This is seeds of intention that were planted coming to fruition. Okay. These are seeds of intention. These seeds that are here that should have never been planted. And they know that. Somebody may have planted evidence on someone. Okay. Maybe someone tried to pin something on someone that, wasn't true. Okay. Maybe someone didn't feel like doing some sort of work, Eight of Pentacles reversed. And so they skipped a very important, part of the process. They may have wanted to make someone look like they were, lazy. Maybe they themselves are actually very lazy. They could have taken like money in exchange for corruption, which is extremely lazy. It's, you guys can make money, judges and lawyers, they can make money. So taking money for purposes of a bribe or corruption is even more of an atrocity. You have money. You didn't need to take a bribe. Well, unfortunately for them, which we knew was going to happen, the Hierophant is the law. Okay. The Hierophant is, it's a higher power. It's God. Okay. It's the law. It's the courthouse. It's the entire judicial system. The Hierophant is, okay. So when it's reversed, it's making a mockery of God, making a mockery of the judicial system, making a mockery of the law. And I believe that they were God. The Hierophant, it can be a boss, again, a higher power, position of authority in the reverse. So I do think that they tried to be bigger than God, or they thought that they were above the institution, above God, above the law, above the judicial system. Okay. They thought that they were God. And God is showing them that they in fact are not God. They don't get to do what they think they're going to do. Okay, which is play God. The Wheel of Fortune, the Two of Pentacles, they have some decisions to make, and they need to make those decisions very fast. Something fortunate happened in this whole situation, collective, and we may not know what that is exactly yet, but I can tell you, rest assured, your exposure of these corrupt officials because of your case is going to help a lot of people. Okay, it's going to expose a huge problem in the judicial system. And though you may be suffering now temporarily, this will be brought to the light. Real justice will be served, especially for those who harm children. Yeah, somebody knows they secretly harm children. High Priestess is keeper of secrets. She's psychic as well. Yep, somebody with the initials B, J, T, O, R, or A. The Sun reversed. This is someone who secretly hurts children. Oh my God. Wheel of Fortune, their time is up. This is karma. I want to get some clarifiers on those cards, but it's going to be very difficult to understand the answers to this because this is on a grand scale. The Sun is a major arcana. Five of Pentacles, the World, and the Ace of Cups reversed. For some, this involves grooming and trafficking. And the reason I'm saying that is because they take in underprivileged or impoverished children and transport them with the world using manipulative tactics. The Ace of Cups reverses manipulation, pretending like they love them or they're giving them some sort of love or affection, but what they're really doing is harming them, putting them in a very bad, dangerous position. Harmful, very harmful. One more card, and we're going to clarify. Yeah. Guys, this is a big deal. This is a big group of people. They thought they were going to play God. They are being taken down. They're being defeated, okay? And this is by a higher power, higher than them. Okay. King of Wands. Taking action. Man of authority, man of integrity, coming in to take action. This is what's going on. So there is someone, I can't make it up, kids. I cannot make it up. There's justice for the children. Look at this. For the 10 of Cups, there's justice and there's happiness. Someone actually knows about this collective and they're supporting you. Whether or not you realize it, there is someone here that knows about these corrupt officials and they have your back. Okay. And look how this is going to turn out for you. This is the universe having your back. Okay. The Strength card. Okay. Giving you strength, supporting you. Justice is justice. You know what I mean? It's exactly what the title of the video says. And the 10 of Cups, which is happiness is being restored here. The children are being protected. The children are safe. Okay. Also exposure, right? For all the world to see with the rainbow there. But rainbow after the storm, we see the rainbow a lot in religious teachings, but it represents, renewal, right? It represents hope and renewal. that after a major storm comes to wipe everything away, which is what's happening, that, there'll be restoration here of happiness and harmony and peace. You know, somebody's taking a stand. Somebody is standing up, the King of Wands. Let's find out more. Okay, so we're going to grab some King of Wands. His fist is in a ball, like he's mad. He's very angry. Somebody was watching these corrupt officials, do exactly what they did. Could have been like an undercover agent. Tell me about the Knight of Wands reversed, the Knight of Swords reversed. Tweedledee and Tweedledum, if you will. Page of Pentacles reversed. They took money for this. They did. They were paid, and they weren't paid that well. They have risky behaviors. They knew prison time was on the table. Why'd they do this? The Hermit reversed. Okay, so a couple more. It was an unwise decision, obviously. The Six of Pentacles. They were trying to help someone else, okay, by taking money for bribes. So it was like maybe they went to school with someone who had a case against you, okay, and this certain someone, was able to pay them a little bit of money to get them to rule against you in the case, okay? Or maybe they go to church with someone, or they belong to some sort of other professional or spiritual or religious organization, okay? Tell me a little bit more, but they did take money for a bribe. Yep. Tell me a little more, please. This is going to be exposed. The Hermit is hidden in the reverse. It means a big exposure. It's a major arcana of exposure. This person likes to, they both like to feel powerful. So they're almost sadistic. They take pleasure in causing pain to people, especially children, these two. They're very bad. They're very sadistic. I'm just hearing sadistic over and over again. They're feeling very stressed out right now, though. Ten of Wands. What's this about? Their bodies hurt. They feel anxious. They feel exhausted. They feel like they're going crazy as well. And that's karma. Three of Pentacles. They're trying to work maybe to cover their tracks. There could be three people involved, or maybe there was like three people in the courtroom or something like that are all going to prison. Let's see. Some people, they know. Okay, Three of Pentacles again with the Knight of Wands and the upright. Ooh, let's keep going there, because they may have acted a fool in front of others and they didn't like clear it with them first. Like let's just say, for instance, you're in a hearing, right? And it's just you, the lawyer, the other person, and maybe a bailiff, like judging or, protecting the door. Okay. So maybe these two knuckleheads, because I'm seeing two main knuckleheads here, acted out like this, and they did it in front of other people without making sure that these other people were also on board, is what I'm getting here. So like maybe somebody saw at Ace of Pentacles, they may have offered a bribe or a hush money to another person in this situation to keep them quiet. Maybe it was someone in a position of like an assistant with the Knight of Wands. That would not be like the boss. That would be a worker bee, the Knight. So they're involved too now. Oh boy. While they were doing this, the funny part is they had hesitation. So perhaps, they were expecting a different type of person to walk in the door, and they didn't realize you were actually like famous, like the Ten of Cups, they didn't realize like you actually hold the light of God in your heart and people love you. And so they kind of made this decision to do something illegal, something sneaky, to take advantage of you, to rule against you. Five of Pentacles, to take something away from you. Okay, they made this decision not realizing that you had a huge community of support behind you and a lot of people that really adore you. So again, I'm just feeling like there's community support for you. I mean, I am seeing, again, I'm seeing a major bust here, like a raid. I'm seeing arrests, a lot of arrests. I'm seeing a whole ass courthouse raid. Um, you know, yeah. Yeah, I am. And I'm seeing that there's going to be an entire community of people supporting you, the victim of this corrupt judge and lawyer. Eight of Pentacles reversed with the Hierophant reversed. What's this about? The Star. So again, this is a higher power. This is the light. Okay, this is shining a light in dark places. The Hierophant reversed is a dark place. That's something that goes against God. It's people that are actually willfully working against God. Okay, these are people that basically made a vow to, the devil or Satan or whoever their underworld, ruler is, that they would go against God in this lifetime, that they would attempt to take God down, which is not possible. So they were tricked by the devil into going against God, and that's exactly what they did. And there's a light being illuminated on this entire organization. This entire organization that thought that they were bigger and better than God. Let me see. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff that people don't know. Eight of Cups reverse means this goes way back. This goes back in the history. They're going to have to audit all the case files and look at every single case. I feel like a lot of people are going to be, freed from this if they were, trafficked or imprisoned or in jail, something like that. Everything's going to be restored. So let me see what else is going to be restored here. This goes back almost, I think, 8 years. Maybe 2018 is significant too. But yeah, I'm seeing 8 years worth of corruption. There's a law clerk I also just heard going to prison because she was aware, I think, of the allegations and did not report. She'll never be a lawyer. She's going to go to prison. Let's see. Secrets. The High Priestess, big secrets. There's a lot of hidden things here. It could be even hidden witchcraft or spirituality here. The High Priestess usually does magic, These are dark magic, though. Hierophant reverse goes against God. It's working against God. And then you walk in as a light worker, and shine a whole light on the situation. Let's see what else. The High Priestess, this could have been like your intuition was telling you something. Maybe you had some prophetic dreams about this situation. Let's see. Seven of Wands reverse. These people do not have a defense. There's too much evidence that is mounted against them. And that may be why they're behaving so recklessly now. It's because they know the end is near. I just heard one is going to try to sneak off to Cabo or something like that to avoid arrest. It's not going to work. Yeah, they're going to be on no-fly lists and stuff like that well before, they are arrested. It'll occur sooner than they can have a chance to escape. So don't worry, guys. They're not going to be spending their days and all of your money living in Cabo. Seven of Wands reverse. They don't have a defense. They can't defend their actions. Let me see. Tell me what the High Priestess in this sentence is. She's here twice, so she's big secrets coming out, big things being revealed. Again, you may be having dreams about this. I know I am. You may be getting psychic visions about this. I know I am. This is a big deal. Big. This is a big corruption case. The World reversed. Okay. Unfinished business. It's also negative karma. Five of Swords reversed. Temperance reversed. The Sun. Okay. Yeah, there were, again, this has to do with children, right? The sun in the upright. Now notice it's in the upright now. But they have been working against children for a long time. I see even a private island. I see raves. I see children around the age of, I would say, 12 to 14. I see a dance floor with like lasers shooting around. I see also, what are those called? People that go out, groomers, recruiters, I guess, people that recruit kids for trafficking purposes. I'm seeing a lot of that too. The sun reversed. Yeah, these are horrible people. These are people that harm children. They very much deserve everything coming to them and very much deserve the treatment that they're going to get in prison. Corrupt judge, man, took people's kids away, sent people to jail, all completely because they were trying to be God. This is someone with very low self-esteem, someone who has a lot of internal turmoil. This judge is what I'm getting here. It's somebody who very likely was abused as a child, but instead of seeking treatment and trying to heal and doing, taking that experience and using that for good, right? Because they totally could do that, like many of us have. This person has allowed the devil to take over their body, to take over their mind, their decisions. They have now become a predator too. They're a child predator, this judge. And remember, folks, these are general readings. These are not for any one specific person. These are for general collective messages. There are over 80,000 people on this channel, and several thousand that watch each of these messages, and they are not for any one specific person. They are for the general collective, okay? Please do not take these personally. They are not meant for you, okay? If it doesn't resonate, then they also are not meant for you, okay? If this is not your situation, then it's okay. Go watch one of my other videos. I've got plenty of messages, I've plenty of prophecies. I'm sure something applies to you if you've landed on my page. All right, let's keep going. All right, there's going to be a huge takedown. Like I was saying, yeah, these people are, I mean, they're done. Like there's no, it's almost like I hear like go straight to jail. It's like, arrested, no bond, is what I'm hearing. Yep, no bond. They're going to get heavy ass karma because of what they've done. It's going to come back on them times 111. That's what God said. 100 times worse, over 100 times worse than what they have done to the children and to innocent people, good people, God-fearing people, hardworking people. They've hurt a lot of people, and it's all crashing down right now. Somebody may actually take themselves out. The Emperor, this is Daddy. This is the Emperor, yeah. What else? And it saw everything. Here's the Knight of Swords reversed yet again. Okay. It saw the surveillance, saw this reckless behavior that these people were, engaging in a court of law, as officers of the court. That's so bad. I can't. This is the thing. Like I said, if God appoints you to a special purpose in life and you are lucky enough to have an opportunity to be in that purpose, right? And God allows this for you. And literally God has so many God supports you the whole way, especially when you're elected in, stuff like that. But even if you're not, if you're a lawyer, God has brought you to where you are, and you throw it all away for what, for him, for who, for some Joe Schmo you used to go to high school with, or somebody from your coven, hard lesson to learn. Life in prison is a hard lesson to learn. Eight of Wands reversed. Yeah, this is undercover surveillance. Oh, they had an undercover, somebody was undercover in the courthouse, is what I'm hearing. Like there's been somebody undercover in there. Oh, I'm not going to say that. Oh my gosh. The Six of Cups. Okay. Somebody close to them that is not willing. Ten of Wands reversed is not willing to take on these burdens, is not willing to go to prison. Okay. No, they are not willing to keep this information secret and carry this drama with them everywhere they go. This person reached out, Three of Wands, to the proper authorities and is working with them, is what I get. So, yep, they've got a inside person reporting on their crimes, and it's been totally investigated at this point. Emperor probably just coming up with like the contingency plan, the arrest plan or whatever. Okay, so confirmation. Strength and the Ten of Cups. Again, you're going to be restored, collective. Please don't. I know how depressing this is, especially when it involves your children. It is the worst feeling, in the world to know that you have been completely, what's the word I'm looking for? Something completely unjust has happened to you as a result of a corrupt, judicial system. I'm here to tell you guys that there's restoration. Okay. God has your back and God saw everything. And that's the thing. You're going to get your babies back. Okay. Ten of Cups. You're going to be a happy family. Okay. You're going to get some support as well with the Strength card. So for those of you that have been through horrendous abuse, okay, and then maybe you're the victim of narcissistic abuse, and that's why this court thing happened. Maybe there was a narcissist taking revenge on you. All right. I promise you there's going to be resources available with the Strength card that are going to help you not only get justice in your case, but that are going to help get back on your feet. Like I said, the King of Wands saw everything, and the King of Wands is very, very determined, okay, to make this right. All right. That's what I'm getting for you, collective. So please, if you're feeling, down or low about this, cheer up because it's going to work out in your favor soon. Final messages for the collective. What's here? The Lovers. Oh. Because you're divinely favored and protected with the Lovers card, Gemini energy. But yeah, you've got your spirit guides, like literally God has your back, like for sure, for sure. This could also have something to do with a relationship. Okay. This could, let's see. Maybe there's love coming in for you through all of this. The Hierophant reversed, and one more. The Chariot reversed. Yeah, these people, again, they're never going to see the light of day again. The Chariot reversed, they're going to go broke, bankrupt is what I'm hearing. This lawyer especially is going bankrupt. And then, yeah, the law, they're going to throw the book at these people. They are. The Hierophant reverse, it's going to be to the maximum punishment allowable by law is what they're getting. That's what I just heard, because this person is angry. This governing body is angry. This person is taking this almost personally, and this is someone who works for like the DOJ, the Supreme Court, something like that. Again, it's not just your case. This is a major, major issue in your area, is what I'm hearing. Okay. And it's a huge undercover operation. So it's going to be revealed, the Moon reversed. Okay. Just hang tight, collective, stay close to God. All right. Pray every single day, especially for those of you suffering with children. But you're not only going to get your kids back, guys, you're going to get a lot of money from this lawsuit. Okay. All right, guys, take good care of yourselves. I'll be back very soon. Talk to you later. Bye.